Good day everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite to showcase a 599. It's a farmhouse inside a simple subdivision with the swimming pool and enclosed with fence. Napakalapit sa highway kaya napakaganda ng potential of the property. And right now, ginagamit nila ito as the Airbnb affiliated kaya ito ay may income. So the approach for this property is income approach. But before we start our house tour, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button, click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Viber, WhatsApp, email by simply clicking the link below on the description box. You can also search us via Google at www.armiliadarealty.com. If you are looking a property inside the subdivision, so we have a property for sale available sa Pag-ibig and then bank financing from 1 million pesos, 2 million pesos, 3 million pesos, 4 million pesos para sa ating mga socialized housing and economic housing. And right now, itong finish-showcase natin, this is a open market property at napakaganda ng potential nito, guys. So if you're interested, message us today. Okay, so let's start the house tour. Let's go, Mariel. Alright guys, okay, so wala si Benji and ganito ay yung ating property. So this is a single detached property with a swimming pool. And right now, ito yung parking area that can accommodate ng 4 na SUV. And then dun sa likod, meron kang 2 ring. Alright, so meron kang basketball court and a swing. So ang property, it's a fully furnished, no? Selling in the market for 16 million pesos. Napakaganda because malamig talaga dito sa Amadeo, Cavite. No, from here to Tagaytay, like 5 minutes. Kaya kitang-kita nyo sa drone, napaka-accessible nito going to the main highway. Alright, on the other side, dito sa side nito, meron ka ditong garden area. Alright, so this is the garden area and right now meron gabi, may santo, may mangga, star apple, at meron nakaplat dito guys, as you can see. Right, so simpleng buhay pero you know, the house itself, look at that, ang ganda, very modern. Okay, let's go inside. And anyway, this is the gate. Right, this is the gate. And over here, right, wala si Benji, kaya andun si asawa niya guys, kung sa kanila accounting. So right now, alright, look at the facade, ang ganda, wow. Sobrang nice ng bahay guys, imagine. Ganito kaganda ang bahay mo, oh. Nice, di ba? And then you have the pine tree right here. Alright, so you have a surface over here, basketball court, and then meron ka doong kubo pa, oh, doon sa likod. For me, kailangan lang to ng cleaning. And then, ang dami lang mga wood panels, oh. Ayan, alright. Alright, meron pa siyang kubo dito, and then a ring, and then fruit benches. This is a 599. So isang square meter na lang, 600 square meters. And this is the likod ng bahay. Look, meron ka ditong water tank. And of course, you have a setback over here. Pwede siyang gawing garden at pwede siya i-landscape later on. No, once na-acquire nyo na po yung property. Alright. Okay, so tingnan natin sa loob. Alright, so by the way, no, kung mayroon kayong mga property for sale na seems like this, do not hesitate to message us today on the numbers listed on the screen. Yung malaking building na yan, right now, is a call center. It's a call center. Ayan siya. Alright? So, ito, pwede pa maging parking area. Ayan, ang lapad. And then you have a swimming pool. Right, so right here, guys, you have sitting area and then meron ka ditong dipping pool. Ayan, no? Ayan, bubble pool. Dito kayo mag-uusap. Mag-uusap kayo dyan. At tingnan nyo naman, lahat na nasa gilid, mayroon kang mga kabayo. Ayan. maglalaro tayo. Alright, ayan guys, which is stays in the property. So, lahat ng gamit nila, kasama, it's a fully furnished, no anything, is stays. Alright, so you have lights above, of course, you have sitting area, and then access over here, papunta sa balcony, and then the bedroom. Ginagamit nila ito as Airbnb, guys. And then you have the screen. Ito yung... Alright, excuse lang muna kasi this is a... What do you call this? Instant videography. Pero makikita nyo po, ayan, makikita nyo po yung ganda ng layout ng bahay. Imagine the ceiling design. Ayan, look. Very modern. Of course, you have lights, spotlights. And then a very spacious kitchen. Look at the kitchen. You have a cabinet and then meron na silang camera. Of course, right here, you have a room and then a bathroom. No, excuse lang sa gamit na hindi lang na-arrange, no? Hindi lang siya na-arrange, pero try to appreciate yung sariwa ng property, guys. Ang ganda nito. Very sariwa ito, guys. Very sariwa. Alright. So right here, meron ka mga stick, no? And then you have a billiard table. Of course, you have a big screen. But, you know, meron sila ditong isang frame na something like this. So, ito, nakapuzzle siya. Which is not. So, like 2,000 na mga tawag dito, yung dinikit-tikit nila. So, ayan. Ito lang yung hindi kasama. But the rest stays. Look at that. Nice, di ba? Imagine, ang ganda, oh, imagine. And of course, napakaganda nito sa Airbnb right now. At ang rate nila nito is nasa 8,000 pesos for 8 hours. Or 8 packs. And then, the kitchen. Look at the kitchen, guys. Excuse lang muna sa mga gamit. Or, of course, no, before the turnover. So, meron po itong cleaning muna, no? Cleaning, no? But, it's as is where is. Cleaning lang po. Okay. Over here, you have a room. Ayan. This is a room and with a bed, of course. At saka mga modern na rin yung kanilang mga switches and then outlets. Look at that. Right. Of course, the ceiling design. Look at the ceiling design, guys. And then right here, you have the air conditioning unit and then a cabinet. Of course, yung ating pong pinto ay wood. Right, ayan. And then right here, this is the bathroom with a water heater. Ayan, guys. Excuse na muna to ha. Excuse na muna dyan, guys. Okay? Excuse lang muna dyan. Huwag niyo po ko i-bash. Huwag niyo po ko i-bash. Alright. Okay. Enjoy lang tayo, no? Dito sa ating house tour. Okay. So, ginagawa namin ito para sa inyo, no? Kasi since this is a very raw video, guys, this is for you. Okay? So, give us like, comment, share sa inyong immediate extended enlarged family. Imagine, ang ganda ng floor area nito, guys, oh. Very open. Ayan, ha? Bukas na bukas. Ayan, look at that. Parang buhay ko, bukas na bukas. Okay, pupunta tayo sa likod. Dito sa likod, you have a structure again and then a water tank. Of course, you have a staff room area. Ayan, dito. And then a bathroom dito sa likod. Pero sariwa itong property po, ah. Alright, so for me, cleaning lang to. No? Cleaning lang to. Right. And then, dalawang bathroom dito and then this is the water pump. Right. And mind you, no, meron pa sila ditong parang Japanese-inspired sunken here. Pwede kayo dito pong, it's a multifunctional area. And then, of course, dito sa side ito, yan yung inyong bubble pool. Alright? And then, on the other side, ito naman, yung gas tank. Ayan, kaya may heater po yan. So, ayan yung, ayan, sa mainit. Alright, ayan siya. Okay, ayan yung pinaka, okay, makita niyo marking guy, yan yung pinaka lindero ng property papunta doon. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Okay, let's go. Mariel. Alright, so from the pool, alright, so akit tayo. Okay, let's go. So, dito sa side na to, you have a big balcony, guys. At ang ganda ng hangin. Right, imagine, practical yung price nito. For 16 million pesos, it's, napapalibutan ka na napakadaming mga puno. Ayan, oh. Ayan, sobrang nice. Of course, you have a play area pa dito, guys. And this is the facade. Look at that. Right. Sobrang nice. Ayan, binuksan na siya ni Madam. Alright, ang lapit lang natin sa clouds. Okay, alright, let's go. Tignan natin. Alright. Ako lang na video, okay? Nakita niyo ba ako, guys? Alright, ayan. Na-miss ko kayo eh. Ayan, okay? Naka-vlog ako ngayon. Okay, so this is the room. And right here, meron kang 3 rooms. Okay, so tingnan natin muna dito, guys. Right, this is the first bedroom. Alright, ang ganda ng walling nito, no? Alright, ang ganda ng walling. Imagine, ang ganda, no? Diba? Sariwa. Wow, pati yung mga wood, oh, sariwa, no? It's a modern architecture. Of course, the ceiling design, look at that. And then, lahat ng bed, kasama, i-arrange nyo lang, no? Right, mag-hire na lang kayo ng designer, interior designer. But for me, gagamitin na lang to. And right now, ito po ay ginagamit nila sa Airbnb. And then with the air conditioning unit, which is here. Ayan, alright. This is the second room. Then this is the bathroom. Look at the bathroom, guys. Alright, this is the bathroom. Okay. Shared dito sa kabila. Alright. So this is the entertainment area. Wow, may X-Men. Alright, ang dami nilang mga... Wow, sino to? Alright, Narnia. Alright, ang dami. Alright. Ay, kamukha ni Ray to ah. Oy, si Ray ba yan? Parang kamukha ng kuya ko to ah. Ayun oh, oy, Sir George, kamukha mo to Sir George ah. Oh, alright, okay. So ayan, so you have a room na pwede siyang gawing extra room, entertainment room, ayan, office, etc. Pero right now, sobrang dami nilang mga photos. Ayan. Look, so you have a bathroom. Now, this is the third room. Alright, so right now, an additional very spacious room again with air conditioning unit. Ang ganda rin ng kanilang block na to, no? The wall. Okay, hindi po ito hollow blocks. This is a block, no? Yung ginagamit sa mga condominium unit na it's a modern block. May sinabi lang si seller. Pero pwede nating i-confirm. Right, so... Alright, look at that, oh. Sariwa, di ba? Ang ganda. And then the beds stays in the property. Alright, then right here, additional room again. Look, alright, di ba, with the air conditioning unit. So, gagamitin na lang ito, guys. Alright. Alright. Okay, with the ceiling fan. Malamig talaga dito ngayon sa Amadeo. Alright, so you have seating area. And of course, yung ating mga pinto, ang sasariwa. Alright. Ayan, dalaga. Sariwa. Pinata pa, sariwa. Alright, then you have a common bathroom dito po sa itaas. Ayan, with the water heater, ang saya. No? Ayan, wow. Pati yung kanilang floor-to-ceiling bathroom tiles. Wow, look at that. Nice. With a modern. Okay, tingnan natin yung tubig. Alright, tubig. Yan yung water, guys. So this is the water. H2O. Water. Alright. Okay, so I hope nag-enjoy kayo today sa ating napaka-simple house tour. Now, bababa tayo to give you the recap of this property for sale. Let's go. Guys, no, we're done, no? Today, again, no, before we end, no, nandito tayo sa Amadeo, Cavite, napakalapit sa Tagaytay, no? A property with a total lot area of 599. It's enclosed with perimeter fence, pwedeng lakarin papunta sa main highway. Sariwa ang property with the pool. It's fully furnished, selling in the market for 16 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested to check out and buy this property, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Or you may visit our website at www.rmillarderealty.com for all of our fresh listings. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. God bless everybody.